100 racks just like that. Yeah, slip. 30 bands slip through my hands. I say slip.
Alright, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys another fall/winter pickups haul. I've gotten a few stuff over the last month or so, and I just want to show you guys what I've picked up pretty much. I've got a pair of sneakers or boots or whatever. I got some clothes and I got some other stuff as well. So first things first, you guys already know, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload. Follow me on IG at EvanLiz and check out my Spotify playlist. Link is in the description. All that aside, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm going to show you is a pair of track pants that I got from the thrift. So these are some gray Nike track pants. I really like these because I don't know if you guys saw my last haul. I got another pair of Nike tracks and they were also gray. Those are a bit darker. Those are more of like a clay color, and these are like a lighter gray. So it has like the black Nike swoosh, and the real reason, the main reason I picked these up was because it has this little cinch at the bottom. This is just fire. You can just adjust the tape around these pretty much, and depending on whatever shoe you're wearing, you can adjust that. And the one thing that I kind of don't like about them is that they're mad baggy. Even though I like wearing baggy stuff, obviously most of my pants are baggy. These are kind of a little bit too much. Sometimes it gets kind of out of hand. But pretty much depends on what pair of shoes I wear. It just fire. It has this little vent thing at the midway, and then it has a cinch at the bottom. This is probably my favorite part of it. That's just fire. I'm not sure when these are from. My guess is it has this gray tag on it, so I don't know what that means. I'm not too sure about all this vintage stuff. I just know that it's probably a little bit older. It's probably not brand new, obviously, but yeah, this was $10 at the thrift, I think. Really good find. I actually have a vlog from that thrift, which I'm gonna be getting out soon. I'm slacking hard on the vlogs, I know, but I got mad vlogs I gotta upload. I have probably 6 or 7. I'm just gonna combine some of them just to get them out, so then all the stuff I'm vlogging now I can just get that out on time, because I know that's my main problem. I drop shit way later than when I filmed it pretty much. So expect a vlog of when I went thrifting and I found these, and the vlog is actually really sick because I use my VHS camera and I filmed a lot. It's gonna be a really long vlog. But yeah, those are those. Next one is a jacket from the North Face. You guys have seen this one before. I wore this in my best jackets video, I'm pretty sure. It's just a navy blue black North Face and Upsty jacket, puffer jacket. This is probably my most worn piece out of everything I have here. It's just I just wear it whenever I'm just gonna go out real quick, just to go to the gym or do some shit like that. I always throw this shit on just because it's so light, but it's also warm, and it's just sick. It's just I wear this every day pretty much. It's probably my favorite one. I might end up getting another color, to be honest. I'm looking for a lighter gray or a regular gray, just instead of navy blue I want a gray one. But this was if you guys saw in the winter jackets video, you guys know I got the plug on this. The regular price is $350 Canadian. I paid $175 around there, but fire. Definitely my favorite piece out of all this stuff that I've gotten. Next up is another jacket you guys saw in that fall, the best winter jackets video. This is Dickies little work jacket. This was $60 or $70 from this military store. This is one random military store. I think it's called Camouflage. It's in downtown Vancouver. Check it out. They have mad Carhartt, Dickies, all that type of stuff there. It's really fire. Got this Dickies jacket, $60 like I said. It has a gold zipper on it. I'll put some close-up shots. This is definitely fire. I got it because Kanye wore it. It just reminded me of that, Kanye wore it when I saw it, so I'm yeah, I gotta get this. Really fire. It's warm. It's a little bit oversized too, so I can wear it over hoodies and stuff, and I've worn it to I can wear it in a dress setting where I'm wearing dress pants, dress shirt, all that stuff, but I can also wear it in a streetwear way or in a fashion way. Fire pickup right here. I've been wearing this a lot as well. Not as much as the North Face, but I've been wearing this one as well a lot. Next up is a belt. It's this TERYX, this green sort of TERYX belt. I'll show you guys the buckle. So it has this pretty much, just like that. Fire belt. Got it for $10 at the TERYX warehouse sale. Vlog from that will be up too. I know I gotta get all these vlogs up. I'm gonna start pumping out more content because of probably the last thing I'm gonna show you guys in this video is why you guys understand why I'm saying I'm gonna put out more content now. This is a fire belt. It's a hiking belt, I'm pretty sure, because TERYX is an outdoor type of brand, but it's really strong, really good quality, and I've been wearing this a lot as well. Just because it's it's not obviously not a leather belt. It's more of a Elite Studios style belt, but without the buckle. Very fire pickup right here. I might get another one as well. I don't know. I'm not sure about the regular price, but I'll probably get a black one. Fire right there. That was $10. Next up are a pair of shoes by a brand that I never thought I'd buy. These are some YEEZY desert boots in the salt colorway. Got these from Nordstrom's for $280, I'm pretty sure. I've been needing some boots. I never buy boots for winter and fall and stuff. I just happened to be at Nordstrom's. Actually, the same day I got the Dickies jacket and the TERYX belt. You guys see the vlog from that, like I said. But they had these at Nordstrom's, and it was the last size. And I know they're not gonna restock because it's that's how Kanye does his shit. They just drops them. Doesn't really restock shit like that. But these are actually Adidas. I never knew that until I found them. It says on the bottom Adidas on the bottom. I'm not sure if I have a fit pickup of these, but I'm going somewhere today to an event actually, which I'll be vlogging as well. I'm gonna be wearing these tonight. I haven't worn them yet. The tag still on them because I was still contemplating whether or not to return them, but I think I'm gonna keep them. I need some boots. Fire 280. These are just sick. I just love the way they look. It's like a chunky shoe, but it's also a boot at the same time, so these are definitely fire. Reminds me of the Yeezy 500s, but like a high version, so fire right here. So next up is the IKEA and Virgil Abloh collab. I already have a video and vlog about that. I just want to put this in here just to like plug the other video, so go check that out. I'll put the little eye thing up here, or whatever, I don't know where it is, but I'll put that up and also put the link in the description. The last one is probably like my favorite. Besides the North Face, this is my favorite, but it's not like clothes or anything. I recently just got this new I recently got this new laptop, this MacBook Pro 15-inch 2019. This is definitely fire. I've been editing on this like lately, and it's just so fast compared to my other one. I had a MacBook Pro 13-inch. It's pretty much the same thing, just a 15-inch and obviously better specs and all that stuff, but this is fire. Definitely gonna put out mad stuff with this just because I've been editing on this and it's just super smooth and like I can do it fast. But my last one, that shit, sometimes I'll just like try to edit, it'll keep crashing. I'm just like, yo, fuck this, I'm not uploading this, I'll do it tomorrow. So that one just pissed me off. This one's very efficient and it's gonna be good for the productivity, so I can upload and post more obviously. So this is fire. This is kind of this little last thing that I recently got, but that was it for this haul. Expect another one soon. I'm gonna be doing some more shopping. I haven't shopped in a while. A lot of this stuff is from like a month or two ago. I just want to show it, so make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Follow me on Instagram at EvanLiz. Check out my Spotify playlist, which updates every single Friday. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. My name is Liz and I'm out. Peace.
It's like tie-dye in my chain. Tie-dye, my guy, please refrain.